Looks like I've got a few CXT Makita 12 volt tool reviews to do. Makita has not given me any of these tools. I bought them all myself. These are all gifts for my wife who wants to get into woodworking. So they're all the 12 volt stuff because she doesn't like the big stuff quite so much. My impact drivers and drills and things just a bit too powerful and heavy for her. And I'm gonna build her a workbench over here sometime, hopefully in the not too distant future. So anyway, which one of these are we going to have a look at first? We've got a jigsaw, we've got a rotary hammer, we've got a drill kit, and we got an impact driver kit. So I really should look at these first because I need to get the batteries done and everything before we look at these. So we'll open these up. Oh, these are just the cutest little things. So here's your model numbers. It's this one here for this one, and well, that one's obvious. So this kit has a 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger. This has two 2 amp hour batteries and a charger, impact driver, drill. Now the chargers are different. This one, I'm assuming W is the regular one, and this one is your fast charger with the fan. 1.5 amp hour battery doesn't appear to have a indicator on it, but the 2s do. How cute. So that's good. Oop, they need a charge. There's quite a size difference here if you want to get into small spaces or you want a light tool. Boy oh boy, these are a lot smaller. I mean, this weighs, wow, next to nothing. You know, it's much lighter than your wallet. Whereas these, quite hefty. I will go and weigh one of these shortly and tell you what they weigh. But it's just so tiny. They come in 1.5, 2 and 4 amp hours, I do believe. Just flattening the battery on this cute little hammer drill. So nice and light. And I like this little feature. Put the battery on and there's a little gap here. I wonder why there was such a big gap there. So you can still check the battery life while it's on the tool. Very cool. Right, we'll drain that down and charge it up, see how long it takes. So we started to get into tidying this area up a bit earlier than I thought. We've shifted the cabinet and the things over there, and I've got some new tool cabinets to go here, and the bench will be built along there, maybe along here, but see what happens. What have we got here? Sweet. I paid for these too. These aren't freebies. It's 2 of those and 1 to go on the top. Unfortunately, they didn't have 2. Bloody hell, what am I going to do with all this stuff? Such a mess. Half projects and tools everywhere. Swish! It's about time we got some of these. Some is for the whiff. So there's the cabinet for the missus. Workbench will go here somewhere. Not going to be very big now, unfortunately. These were going to run up this side, but then we couldn't get the drawers opening right, so we'll have to go with that. I've got to fit another one in here somewhere. The wife has knocked together the frame for the bench top, the workbench, and I'm going to chuck up some battens here on the wall so we can line the walls with timber, make it easier for attaching things to the wall and make it a bit prettier. She likes it pretty. And so we're doing all this with the Makita CXT 12 volt tools. Those there that she's put that together with, and I'm about to use this dinky little thing. It's so light, it's just so light. Can lift it up so easily, unlike my big monster down there, which requires plenty of wheat bix before you pick up that one. Right, so this cute little tool, I'm going to drill some holes. This video is not going to be a tutorial on how to make a workbench because we're trying to do it as quickly as we can, get it over and done with today. Get this garage all sorted out. There's quite a lot of stuff out on the drive that's still got to fit back in here, so I ain't got time to make a big long video, but it's a good test for the tools. I'll let you know how they're doing later on in the video or another video or whatever. So let's have a bit of a play. There is polystyrene literally everywhere from these tool cases. It's just blowing around everywhere. So I'm going to use an old trick I used to do when I was young to get rid of it. Power tools, polystyrene, petrol, beer. What a fantastic way to spend a Tuesday afternoon. And you go, you bugger. Frame for the bench is up. Now time for a top. And there's the bottom of the top. Let's flip it and attach it. And on goes the polyurethane. It's going to be an exciting night tonight watching it dry. Oh yeah. Worktop's been polyurethane, it's looking good, and now putting some boards up on the wall. These are actually door jams, believe it or not. Door jam walls, pre-primed, door jam workshop. It's just workbench, just a whole work centre made out of door jams. New door jams. So the work area is almost complete. The power's been installated. Just a few more little finishing touches, and then the wife can start using it. And we, what the fuck was that? Damn it. And it was all put together with these tools, these 12-volt Makita tools, which I've been very surprised about. They've been pretty darn good. So I'm going to do an individual review on all of these in the coming weeks, starting with this one. This is the newest Makita 12-volt drill, only been out about a month. So thanks for watching, guys. All these reviews coming up very soon. Don't forget to check out all my other reviews if you haven't before. Subscribe, push all these buttons and stuff. Woo! That was a rather effeminate noise. Looks like I've got a few CXT Makita 12-volt reviews to do. Looks like I've got a few CXT 12-volt Makita reviews to do. Makita did not pay fucking fuck